Sensibility and practicality define the 2020 Subaru Ascent. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, power front seats, automatic dimming door mirrors, and cruise control. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 14 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Subaru ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front and side impact airbags, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. When road conditions become unpredictable, rely on all-wheel drive to maintain outstanding control. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.